why I don't believe in performing perfect at anything in the world.
I'm not a brilliant, perfect gal. I mean, look at me.
And here I am, fucking it up on my Caspi Star.
First things first, I got an order like this.
And I asked one of my clients to cancel her order all by herself since I ran out of this item.
And the thing is, I had to edit the ones which were out of stock. I couldn't manage it.
The issue was like I could not manage editing all of my items which were not on stock, that they are not going to be delivered right away, like today, for example. So yeah.
And the client canceled her order clicking on out of stock button like that.
And apparently I must cancel the order if I'm running out of the item.
However, I failed, which means I fucked it up. Today, I've had a call from a Caspi manager.
And the Caspi manager told me that to not do such things anymore, to not ask anyone to cancel the orders because it's like out of the regulations, and otherwise I could be banned. My hustle could be banned.
So that's a wrap. Enjoying not perfect me. And there is a room for improvements. Wish me luck. Gonna learn more.